As you know, today is May 1st, so that means we are 1 month away from the official start of hurricane season. And yes, COVID-19 is even having an impact on that. Eric Glassler shows you how the virus is forcing state emergency workers to change their approach to hurricane response and how each of us could be asked to do the same.
COVID-19 is forcing Florida's top emergency workers to rethink everything when it comes to the upcoming hurricane season, complicated by the need for social distancing. So rather than packing evacuees into shelters, people with homes built to withstand low to medium grade hurricanes might now be ordered to shelter in place. Those who must evacuate might be directed to all those now empty hotel rooms left vacant by the virus, where separation could be far more manageable.
Paid for by the feds, but also would be good for helping that industry out.
Transporting evacuees is also complicated by the virus, so the state could issue gas cards or maybe turn to ride sharing.
We might reach out to a company like Uber and say, hey, listen, you have 5,000, 6,000 Uber drivers, rather than putting 50 or 60 people in a bus on top of each other.
The state also predicts a major shortfall when it comes to relying on hurricane volunteers. Normally about 10,000 are needed, so they're considering hiring those who could use the work.
Turning to folks that might be unemployed again in that June-July timeframe and employing them to take on a job during hurricane season to help us.
Employers will soon be urged to stock up on PPE so workers can protect themselves and get back to their jobs faster. And your own personal hurricane kit is about to change too.
7 days of cleaning supplies and PPE in addition to your regular hurricane supply.
And expect even longer delays getting the power back on.
Wearing proper PPE, such as face masks, especially in the hot Florida weather, can really inhibit the typical productivity of a crew.
State emergency workers say they are now in contact with their federal counterparts on a weekly basis and are beginning to stockpile the gloves, masks, and other personal protection we will undoubtedly need if a major storm heads our way.